guys, welcome to Ran Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Cyclone Wok. It's a great product. It's 12.5 inch die cast non-stick wok. It works amazing. It's got an awesome lid. As you can see, the handle is really cool, really easy to use. It's got a hole here for the steam to come out. Really nice. It does come with a bonus little spatula, so that's really nice too. And this is the wok itself. As you can see, it's got the same wooden handle. I love this. It's really nice. It's not going to get hot. It's comfortable. It's not heavy. It's got the induction bottom, so you get even heating all around, so it's really great. And I love it. Is super non-stick. It works amazing. You can fry anything on here, and you know, it's nice and big as well. You can even make like pastas, so many different items that you can use this for. Again, I love it. You know, it's super light and easy to cook with, and it cooks amazing. So really great. Even also when you're ready to dump something like onto, if you want to put it onto something, this is a nice thing to hold also, so you can you know, tip it over. And like I said, the lid is amazing. It's made of this like glass and then the metal around, so it's not going to break. Perfect. I really like this wok. I love it. It's nice and deep, and it's a perfect size to make lots of different dishes in here. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.